The use of isolated ground receptacles and circuits for equipment has declined significantly in recent years because of advances in electronics and power distribution systems. Today's power distribution systems are more reliable and less subject to noise and interference. Electronics manufacturers have incorporated advanced filtering and noise suppression techniques into their devices, reducing the risk of ground loops and interference. Isolated transformers provide an additional layer of isolation between the equipment and the ground, eliminating ground loops and ensuring clean power. AT, or isolated transformer, systems are designed specifically to isolate sensitive equipment from any ground reference, further reducing noise and interference. While isolated ground receptacles are still occasionally used, their application is now limited to specific scenarios where noise isolation is critical. This includes medical equipment in sensitive areas, for example, operating rooms, research laboratories with highly sensitive instruments, high-end audio and video setups where ground loops can cause distortion, and industrial environments with heavy electrical machinery. Most experts agree that the need for isolated ground receptacles has diminished for the majority of electronic equipment due to the factors listed. However, it is important to consult with equipment manufacturers and qualified electricians for specific recommendations based on the intended use and sensitivity of the equipment. In summary, while isolated ground receptacles were once more common, their use has significantly declined due to advancements in technology and power distribution systems. However, they may still be necessary in certain specialized applications where noise isolation is critical.